Hello everyone, welcome to Wheeler Detailers. My name is Martin and in this video I'll tell you all do's and don'ts about D-Con's Ceramic Wash. D-Con Ceramic Wash is very good to use on ceramic or quartz coated cars. When you just have your car coated, you've got that crazy slickness and crazy beading as protective properties on your car. Maybe after a certain amount of washing cycles, 20, 30 washing cycles, and daily use of your vehicle, maybe that the ceramic coated finish is not that smooth and not that hydrophobic anymore. Also, when you glide it with your fingers, you may feel it will be a little bit rough. When the surface is rough and when it's raining or you rinse it with a pressure washer, the water cannot roll so easily anymore. And often that roughness is being created by calcium. It can come from hard water or acid kind of rain or pollution that comes in the air with the rain and that sticks to your ceramic coated finish, not to your paint. Sometimes you think, hey, my coating doesn't work anymore as it was new. When this is the situation with your car, then it's good to wash with D-Con Ceramic Wash, and with that wash away calcium spots from hard water or from acid rain and or pollution, and while you wash it, you give it protective properties from siloxane that's in this product and also in your coating on your car. They match up great together, and with that you can reinstate that crazy ass beading and that slickness to your coatings finish again. So step one is always to work with the 2-bucket method. 1 bucket with water. So my rinsing bucket is full. Now I'm gonna prep my washing bucket, and first I'm gonna fill it half with only water. Very important is to dilute properly. Here on the back side of the label it says if you have a 13-liter bucket, you need to add 30 ml of product. In this case we have 20-liter buckets, so we need to use 50 ml of product. 50 ml of product can also be 5 to 6 capfuls, but in this case we have a measuring cup, which we're going to use. This is a 100 ml measuring cup. There we go. So important now is to have the nozzle under the water level. First we're going to do a before situation and we can see how unprotected this front of this black Tesla actually is. So to give you guys a good impression on how this actually works, we're gonna tip off half. So very important is to use new or unused microfiber wash mitts that never have touched normal soap or car wash shampoos. Because soap and siloxane in the ceramic wash don't match up together, and then it will function less good, as we will show you in this video. As you can see, D-Con Ceramic Wash is a low foaming formula, so it's not with normal detergents and soap ingredients. With a wash mitt over the paint, rinse it out in a rinsing bucket. I'm gonna take extra ceramic suds from my washing bucket. Release the masking paper. So right side of the car hasn't been washed with D-Con Ceramic Wash. And the left side is. So, D-Con's Ceramic Wash. It's a super easy product to wash and protect in only one step. Works perfect on cars, pickup trucks, vans, camper vans, caravans. It's ideal to have that hydrophobic added to your paint with only washing. Important is, like I said in the beginning, to dilute it properly. So read the label what's on there. So when you under dilute it, you will not have this crazy beading as you have seen it here. And when you over dilute it and you use it on a hot day and you don't rinse off in time, then you might get some dried streaks to your car, which is not nice. So you have to re-wash it again, re-rinse it again, and then re-dry it again. So dilute properly, very important. And a small measuring cup like this will really help you to dilute properly as well. Again, D-Con Ceramic Wash is a low foaming formula. It works traditional 2-bucket system, which means you release particles, sand and oxidation over here, and you take up new suds from your washing bucket. Keep this cycle going. You have a very safe wash with very good and shiny results, which also add crazy hydrophobicity to your paint. If you want to see a video that's the contra of mild washing, then click on the pop-up banner and learn all the steps how to wash and clean very dirty vans and cars. See you in the next video.